Yo, that's crazy.
Animal.
Yo, that's crazy.
My girlfriend. Let's check her
Yo.
reaction. Are you ready, guys?
That's crazy.
Yo, so be giving a card to everyone who follow me. Give you a follow. And
Hey,
a thumbs
Amina,
up and
did you
follow
see any of those videos I sent you?
Roger, you see this thing on my head? This is to protect the high-frequency energies that are pulsating through my mind. You think I want to lose any of my brain cells from your low-frequency content?
Well, my bad that my feed doesn't show videos of Patrice Lumumba or Dr. Umar. Have a laugh for once.
Don't you dare say nothing about Mr. Patrice. And I donate to Dr. Umar's school.
Wait, Rajab, stop sitting as if you live a lavish life. Do you think you are big baller and shot caller? What do you think this is? The Holiday Inn? Get off that phone. Do something productive. Ah.
Pops, we live in Hopeland, Massachusetts. There's nothing going on in this small town. Only thing that happens is the ugliest people get together and have ugly babies.
Hey, do not disrespect the great metropolitan city in America. That is Hopeland. Let's go, Amina.
Yeah, I'm not trying to be late for work.
Yeah, and I don't want to be late to get free halal lamb gyros.
Dad, it's all the same meat.
Anaitwa Hashim, Baba Matumbila, Waita Matumbila, Mama Matumbila. Anaitwa Zainati, Mama Matumbila, Waita Matumbila, Kaka Matumbila. Anaitwa Amina, Kaka Matumbila, Waita Matumbila, Raja Matumbila. Anaitwa Zulfika, Kaka Matumbila,
Like, how, fam? How? The stupid
How what?
Nah, bro. This is grown folks' business. You don't need to know.
What's goody, my Hopeland fam? You already know who it is. It's your king from the hometown, Jerome.
Just got back from this big tour as being the keyboardist and background vocalist to the one, the only, Sammy. I like the way you look at me. And now, for the big announcement.
I'm establishing the city's first and only annual talent show. Yeah, that's right. Y'all finally got something to do.
Come through.
Sir, the chocolate tub is ready for you.
Close the door.
Yes, sir.
Come through this Friday and see if you got what it takes to be like me. Which is impossible, but you can try.
Hey, man, I told you I was filming, didn't I?
Finally, somebody is doing something here. I'm about to audition for this.
Oh man, that's awesome, Rajab. Hey, I have an idea. For your next song, you should sample a mariachi band.
What you mean? You know something I don't know? Who do you speak to? He ain't even Mexican.
Wow! I did not know there were so many talented people here.
Step aside, you heathens! I just tore up the stage like my mama's grilled cheese sandwiches, you know!
Rajab, isn't that your jiggly friend? Go say hi.
Absolutely not.
Yeah, that's Terry Tyler Thomas, the third, with 3 T's and 3 nipples.
Oh, Rajab, I'm not surprised to see you here, you know.
Not surprised seeing you here either, Terry. What you doing there? Sing Omarion's greatest hits? All you do is steal people's songs.
Okay. You know, I'm not revealing my secret sauce. You're gonna have to wait and see until showtime. You know.
was so kind of him to say hello to you, Rajab. You have to be more open.
Yeah, like his pants. I really gotta concentrate for my audition.
Uncle Abdullah? Ah, Mambo familia with it.
Abdallah, my younger brother, VP.
Uncle Abdullah, why are you here?
Rajab, my nephew. Our family are like the Jacksons. We have many talents.
Showing your mustache and taking $20 out of your sister's purse isn't a talent.
Huh?
Yeah, nephew, you're doing stand-up comedy. I have to go practice.
Next, we got Fury Flakes and Fury Society.
Yeah, 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 up your flags, up your flags, up your flags. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, up your flags, up your flags, up your flags. Oh.
You see, when you get something so plain and unflavored, you feel withered. You don't feel it hitting your chest, which can magnify your stress. Don't take it as a loss. Be a boss and try my new Devontae Special Buffalo Sauce.
Next, we got Uncle Abdullah. Child, are y'all related to him? Cause why you wrote his name like this?
Hit it!
Big girls need loving too.
Jump.
Big girls
Jump.
need loving too.
Jump.
I said big girls need loving.
Stop.
Jump. Jump.
Sir, stop.
Big girls need loving.
Somebody get this man on stage.
Jump. Hey, why you turn off the music? Get your hands off me! Get your hands off me! Hey, what are you doing? I'm not done yet! My family! My family! My family!
That's my brother, Abdallah. See you later for dinner.
Next on the list, we have Rajab.
All right, I'm good. I need you to see me. Open your eyes, girl. Look right in front of you. I'm not invisible. Just say that you need me. I'll make you my world. So what you gonna do will be incredible.
That was really good, Rajab.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you. Jerome, what did you think about my performance?
You'll find out later when the list comes out.
Eti, Rajab, you go wapi?
Let me try to call him.
Rajab!
Chakula tayari!
I think today's the day Rajab finds out if he got into Hopeland's Got Talent.
Oh, since when did Lil Hopeland got talent?
Amina, it was a pretty big audition. So big that the public access TV channel even broadcasted it.
Was Lionel Richie one of the judges?
No.
So I guess it was no big deal. You know, with no Lionel Richie, it's no big deal. You know, they probably had Abdallah on stage putting on his mustache. Zainat, help your brother.
Let's go! Woo! Let's go! Yes! Let's go! Everybody, you are looking at the next big thing right here. I made it into Hopeland's Got Talent.
Wow! Hongera sana, my son. I have to call family back home.
Okay, I see you, Rajab. Finally got something going on for once.
You know it. Now, I gotta prepare for my intensive performing program with the one and only Jerome Baines. So no more meat for me. I'm going full vegan.
What? No, Yama. No!
Come here and fan me. Fan me. I'm hot. Working hard for the people. Okay. Remember, y'all. Same time as tomorrow. And Rajab, you gotta hold that mic in a 45-degree angle. Tight grip and 2 inches from those lips.
Why is he staring at my lips? Oh, shoot, Cassie. Oh, stand up straight. Posture. Straight up your chest. I don't see no mariachi hat, so I should be good. Hey, Cassie. I didn't know you were performing. I didn't...
Oh, hey! Rajab! No, I'm not performing. Just here to support my friend.
Oh, yeah. Well, you know, I gotta put the work in. I gotta do it, you know. I gotta do it up, you know.
Right! That's why I have to check in on my friend Calvin. You know someone who's performing also? Rajab, why are you sweating so much?
Oh, me.
Oh, that's so cool! I bet you're going to do an amazing job. Text me which spot you're going to be in for the show.
Oh, I don't have your number.
DM me online.
At least the greatest comedian of all time, Roto, can calm me down after a long work day. Who's at the door?
Oh! Mambo, Juma, and Fatima. Karibuni.
Juma and Fatima. Why are you guys both dressed like Secret Service?
We are meeting with our client.
To discuss our blueprint in this business.
Hold on. Client? I told you guys, you cannot sell weight loss shakes to kids. I said that in our previous episode.
All right, I am ready for this meeting.
What meeting is going on here? I am trying to watch Roto.
I'm sorry, Hashim, but as Rajab's agent, I'm going to ask you not to speak to my client at this time.
For business inquiries, kindly email us at pintutalis.32.ltd@hotmail.com.
Nah, I'm heading back.
Zainat.
Rajab, I've been talking to my people, and we can get you to perform with the top Afro pop artist, Gold Pearls.
Gold Pearls? Who's that?
Come on, man. He's a big artist right now in Tanzania. He's got a new single out called Finally, and it has 2 million views online. Do you want this?
Herbo, you just need to win this talent show. The Pichus, all of us in the community need this from you.
I bet you're going to do an amazing job.
So, that is all for now. Meeting adjourned. Roto the comedian? You watching that scam artist? He ruined my business.
Zainat, Rajab doing this talent show is a big problem. He needs to put his energy into school, not to be Ja Rule.
Hashim, you told Rajab to be more productive. At least he found something he liked.
But this is not practical. Not everybody can be Johnny Gill.
Sawa, it may not be practical, but at least have him go through this experience.
I can't do any more of that fish egg. Oh.
I do not want Rajab to think that this is our career choice. Too many kids now want to be like that. And that is just in Hopeland alone.
After this talent show thing, Rajab is going to quit like he always do. And that is when I swift inside and show him the real path. The path that leads to 401k.
Well, we're going. I promised everyone on our Who's App group chat in Bongo that I'll record it.
Yeah. And Zainat, please, I beg you, send me Abdallah's audition video. You know, America's Funniest Home Videos is still accepting submissions. Man, this theater seems like it was built in the 1800s or something.
1836 to be exact, my little brother. My research told me that in the early days, minstrel shows used to happen here. Did you know that?
Minstrel shows? Shows that show women go through their cycles?
Let me take you back, way back, to the early 1830s, when this one white...
Zainat, I just do not understand why they did not accept me.
Don't worry, Abdallah. My younger brother, you still have so many things you can do.
Yeah, like stop depending on your sister.
And that is the history of minstrel shows.
Good evening, my peoples in Hopeland. I said good evening, my peoples in Hopeland. Welcome to the first annual Hopeland's Got Talent Show. I said welcome to the first annual Hopeland's Got Talent Show.
Yeah.
Yeah. Clap it up, clap it up. Tonight, we have some amazing performances by up-and-coming talent from this city. Could you believe it? This city has talent other than me.
Okay, Rajab, the moment is now here. The day we are going to become stars.
Yeah.
It seems to me someone is a little nervous, huh? Maybe you should drop out of the show.
Nah, I'm not nervous. Not even a bit. You should be, though, since you're going up first.
Well, for clarification, they're putting me up first because they know I'm gonna start their show off right. You know.
This hefty young fella asked if he could go first. Show some love for the talents of Bohemian Vibrations.
Welp, that's my cue. Take notes, Rajab. Yup, I've seen all those great legends that have graced this very stage.
I wonder if they felt the same amount of pressure as I'm feeling right now. Folks are adding this unnecessary amount of pressure on me, as if tonight is going to break my career.
Hey! You can't let that get into your head. You never know what your life could turn into if you just take a chance at something that's inside of you. Look at that mural.
Hey, where's Chief Moshi? I brought him here back in 1998. Why isn't he on that mural?
Yeah, I saw that, man. And his album didn't even go sync. The point is, you got to channel in that energy. Rub that wall. Rub that wall. You should feel every crevice of that wall.
I felt something. I felt something. I feel it. I feel the power.
You need my vibrations, vibrations, all around you, all around you. Every single day, every single day. This is Bohemian Vibrations. You need my vibrations. Come on, all around you, all around you. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I see what's going on. You got
guys cheered for Usher and you're gonna boo me? That's alright, you know. Hopeland's Got Talent, you're my nemesis!
All right now, y'all. All right. Let's settle down. We got coming up with the mic is a bright youngster whom I can't really pronounce his last name like that.
Rajab.
So, without any hesitation, get your hands together, hoping for Rajab.
You to see me, open your eyes, girl. Look right in front of you. I'm not invisible. Just say that you need me. I make you my world. So what you gonna do will be incredible. Like a superhero, I'm a Superman. Like halal fried shrimp, I eat every Friday. Like flowers growing in the forest, birds chirping in the morning. Like that one time I found $20 on the floor. Will be incredible.
One more time for Rajab Matumbilas. It's something African. All right, whatever. Rajab.
Man, I did it! Yes, I did it!
Yeah, we did it! We did it!
Yeah, where's that janitor? I wonder if he was some type of guardian angel.
Oh, Rajabu, my second born. You did such a great job today. Better than Zuchu. You had more people at your show.
Rajab, didn't you have to put on minstrel show makeup?
Really? Makeup? I didn't explain anything? You did amazing, bro. Good job.
Rajab! Not bad.
Thanks, Pops. I know I've had many interests such as being a swimmer, a chef, and one time a pimp.
Huh?
But now I know I want to be a creative.
Oh my god, I literally posted this video yesterday and it only
1 second, y'all. I gotta speak to someone.
Hashim, what happened to showing Rajab the right path to 401k?
I'ma wait until later on. And besides, I still need to figure out my 401k.
I'm trying this new strategy where I'm...
Oh, Kessie, what up? Did you dig my performance? What did you think?
Oh! I thought your performance was lit! Yes! Your last few bars, it just hit so different!
Oh, well, you know. I had to showcase for the people. I had to do, you know, it's easy.
Oh, I hear that.
That girl Kessie is a little too extra for me. But I ain't gonna say nothing, though.
So, I'm gonna see you, okay, Rajab?
Yeah. No doubt. Suck.
Wait a minute, y'all. We ain't done yet. Let's turn up the heat a bit. Get ready to have your ears massaged with soft sounds of love. My new EP, Bumpy Roads, is officially out. I'm about to play a few tracks for y'all.
Let's go home.
Now, where y'all all going? Wait a minute. I didn't even get to press play yet. Wait, hold on. Y'all all came out for me. Is it just gonna leave? I like the way
Yo, I'm working on an experiment.
Boy, ain't nobody checking for you.
Don't you have a Black Panther breakfast program to attend?
There will be no breakfast left if you keep making me late.
Just wait until these waves start spinning. I'm gonna make them seasick.
Why is it burning? Woo! Woo!
Wake up! It's time for school!
Come on, wake up, move, get up! Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Well, I guess Sofika is having tilapia fish for dinner.
Not the Tripoli!
Zulfika, get up and go take a shower.
What? There's no way it's snowing during the fall.
You just don't understand. I was having a spiritual experience in there. Ouch! Ouch!
That's haram, putting hair grease and God in the same sentence.
God wants me to be fresh.
Ebu Kimya, you are going to disturb your father.
Ah, Mr. Barbershop Man, can you give me a haircut that would make me look like Mahershala Ali?
Guys!
It's failing.
It's snowing outside! Guys! Hey! Hello! Family! Hey, you guys remember me? It is snowing outside!
Right. And Uncle Abdullah has a job.
Amina, you know that the day when Uncle Abdallah works will be the same day as the Day of Judgment. Come to the living room. You see? You see? I told y'all! Look at them flakes!
Those are too many whites for me.
I wonder if school's gonna be closed.
Good morning, my friends. An unexpected snowstorm is happening. On the screen, the list of public schools around the area that are currently closed are shown.
This no-neck... Hopeland Public School's always the last ones to say something.
Well, you guys should still get ready for school then.
Oh, we just got word. Short Green Public Schools are closed.
May our superintendent be cursed for a lifetime.
Breaking news. We just got the the latest that Hopeland public schools are now closed. This has been Brian Gonzalez reporting to you live. Can we go?
Yeah, right on. Yeah, that's the truth right there. Woo! No school, no books. I'ma play games all day. Yeah.
Yo no sé por qué este estúpido trabajo me tiene trabajando. Temperatura. Esto de frío es.
Can you, Baba, stop talking and just cut my hair? Oh, what was that? That sounded like an intruder. Oh no! Oh no! Abu Toka, are you trying to take my family?
I don't think our superintendent has those powers.
What?
School is canceled, Pops. This is the best news since finding out that AIs can write rap lyrics.
So you're celebrating to stay stupid, huh? Why is school canceled?
It's snowing heavy outside.
Snow? I've heard better lies while watching that stupid show, Young, Famous, and African. By the way, when's their new season?
Hashimu, ebu tazama nje.
Wow. Snow during autumn season. This has to be one of the signs.
You know what, Baba? You just made a great hypothesis. Why is it that it's snowing during autumn season? Is this symbolism for something major in our society? This is time. This is the time for me to go on social media and speak with my fellow intellectuals.
I called out from work, Fatima. They need to put more salt and spice on those icy roads. Do you think that's how that singer Ice Spice got her name?
Nani?
I don't know, Fatima. I heard on the radio. I hope she gets back together with those Spice Girls.
Did you hear that Latifah does not own any winter clothes? She thought moving to New England is a brand new England without cold. And why is she building an igloo? She hasn't even finished building her house back in Tanzania. And why is she building a snowman with no carrots on the nose? Everybody knows a snowman is supposed to have a carrot on the nose. And why is she building a snowman? She is a 50-year-old woman.
Okay, hold on, Fatima.
Need to grow up. Why do you have a snow woman?
Okay.
Why
Hold
you
on,
only
Fatima.
have a snowman and no snow woman?
Hashim, why are you lowering the heat?
Janet, it's now winter, you know. These heating bill collectors are looking for more money than the masjid board members. I need to donate.
And how does duct tape help with these bill collectors, Hashim?
Great question. This is an alarm to not touch the heater.
I can already feel the breeze. Brrr, with these weak walls. And you know how Zulfika is when the temperature drops.
He'll be fine.
How do the Inuits live? Man, I need some boots to warm my ankles. Somebody warm my ankles. Why did Mom have to put these old Rick James leather outfits in my closet? 1980s fashion just made no sense. Where is that sound coming from? Ooh,
can't mess with me in this game. I'm too nice with it, bro.
Similar to that dude Trey with your girl Kessie yesterday, right?
Nah, that simp Trey don't got that riz like me. He wears fedoras. As soon as my 360 waves get right, Kessie gonna want me. I'm gonna save her. I'm about to be her life jacket.
I always wanted 360 waves, but ended up with a perm.
You slacking, Daoud. These waves about to go crazy.
Yo, Raja, are you trying to look like an old doo-wop singer?
What you saying, bro? Oh no! Hair relaxer! What have I done? What have I done?
Mambo Familia Wote. It's me, Mina Tumbis, coming at you again with another talk. This unusual snowstorm and this climate pertains to the unsuitable behavior of Frosty the Snowman. Now listen, have you noticed this snowman wears no clothes and has kids follow him everywhere? And let's not forget, Frosty smokes a pipe in his mouth. Anka, people, Anka! Promoting indecency is the clear intent of Frosty the Snowman, which symbolizes this unprecedented snowstorm. Knowledge. Anka, people!
Fatima, are you really sure Latifa took the road salt back inside to cook?
Wanaisha Saha, do it. Do not eat Latifa chapati. It has road salt in it. Do not eat her biryani. It is road salt. Do not eat Latifa sambusa.
Pepo
You are
Kali
eating
Sana.
road salt. Do not.
Yamani, I was a barbarian out there, shoveling big loads out of the way. Zainat, Ebu Angalia Inje.
Grace, I think I want to marry you. Tell me.
I think it's time for us to eat dinner.
Yeah, Sarah, I shoveled hunger in my stomach too.
This wind is starting to mess with the power.
Why is it that the power's going out when I'm trying to upload this video? They're watching me.
What's going on?
Okay, I just finished lighting up the candles.
Ekti Zainat, did somebody die here? Why you have so many candles?
At least we can get some free heat, Hashim. Or are you going to put duct tape on these candles?
Only if the bill collector charges per wax.
Hashim, do you hear that noise down the hallway? Hashim, I think a doo-wop singer broke into our house.
Where?
Ebu Shabili. Rajab, what is that horse weave doing on top of your head?
I was trying to get 360 waves.
Ah, that's a big old wave. Makes me want to go snorkeling when I talk to you. You need to shave. Sasa Hivi.
Guys, I think they are watching us. Y'all saw those big assassin trucks outside our house?
You talking about those snowplow trucks?
Shh! You trying to get me assassinated? Oh, man! My phone mysteriously died. That's strike 2.
Hold on. Where is Zulfika?
I come to your tropical island in peace. Binya, Binya.
The pleasure's all mine. Time's been tough since the writer's strike.
Or since 1998.
Samahani sana Binya Binya. I have no signal.
Uncle Abdullah? How'd you get here?
Oh, you left your closet door open. And, can I have the leather outfit with those frog prints? What's wrong with you, Binya?
I guess my time here is up.
So, Binya Binya, when are you gonna have a reboot? Everybody's having them these days.
Zulfika, where were you?
I was hanging out with Binya Binya. Now they're hanging out with Uncle Abdullah.
Okay, so now this is a big problem. We need to go to the basement faster, faster. Come on, fire raka, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. This bad weather reminds me of my first travels to this country.
Oh, yeah. I remember. I was still back home with Amina. I was so worried about your flight.
I thought you guys came here together.
No. I had to come here first to make sure everything was settled. But it took months until your mother and Amina could get here. Everyone, especially Juma, thought your mother and sister wouldn't be able to come.
And that's why his Pinto Limited business keeps failing.
So that means if that didn't happen, I wouldn't have been born?
You would have been born in Tanzania. You were conceived before I came to the U.S.
What does conceived mean?
We don't need to get into that. I kept my faith, and I made lots of dua. And now, we are here.
This whole day, I was with Binya Binya in this tropical island, sipping on Stafeli, trying to escape what was really going on. And Uncle Abdullah.
I spend more time on the phone with Fatima than my own family.
My mume wangu Juma loves my vanilla chai tea. Latifa Katiba make chai tea correctly without putting the bottom of her pot. I wouldn't even try her chai tea.
I got so caught up trying to prove my Frosty the Snowman theory to a bunch of strangers. You know, after they scroll, they just forget about my existence.
My time was consumed trying to develop these 360 waves. Now, I gotta wear 3-piece suits with this Kong.
I have to say, my mind was thinking more about this heating bill than spending time with my family. Wait, did you say your Uncle Abdullah's here?
It sounds like a big tree is breaking outside.
Oh, please protect my family from this dangerous weather. Only you can save us. I will sacrifice paying the extra heating bill if you allow my family and I to be safe with their mercy. Say Amin.
Amin.
Ask again. Nobody is allowed to touch my feet.
Hashimo, I think the wind has stopped.
Let me check upstairs. Alhamdulillah, our prayers has been answered. I need some peanuts.
Hey, I got a question. Who else was supposed to come here with you guys?
Your uncle, Baba Nkuba Mamedi. Yeah, you know, he was supposed to come here too. But you see, the problem is he was too busy buying cranberry soda instead of getting his visa. You know, that's life.
So how in the world did Uncle Abdallah get here then?
My younger brother Abdallah, he is like a pixie. He just shows up.
Yeah, one time I saw him sleeping on top of my computer desk without pants. Is he,
Hey, that is your uncle.
Well, he's not my uncle. Wow, everything's up. We got back our electric.
Woogie, woogie, woogie. Now we can continue to spend time together by seeing our faces.
Zulfika, nafanya nini?
Oh, just making it warm in here. Remember your sacrifice about the heat? We can finally feel like a tropical island. I need a little stafeli in my mouth.
Zainat, I am bringing these candles to our room.
Oh, Hashim, you are such a romantic.
Romantic, Nini. This is so that we can have heat in our room without turning on our heater.
Latifa can't even make chai tea correctly without putting the bottom of her pot. I wouldn't even try her chai tea. She probably put her mama's milk in there. I would not drink that if I were you. And she probably put the road salt inside her chai tea. Do not taste Latifa's tea. Do you hear me? Do you hear me?